Jamaica, too nice.
Scooby-Doo do that.
Wagwan beautiful kings and queens. Welcome back to 876 and Chill. Today we want to say a big thank you for all the love and support that you guys showed us.
Yeah man, peeps, you don't know. We love Wagwan, especially the comment, like the comment section on the video them. Yo, literally I laugh some of the time.
We love read them. Keep them coming.
Trust me.
So today is a challenge day. What are we going to do? We're going to be doing the whisper challenge. How does it work? Romain is going to put on the earphone. I'm going to be blasting one of my favorite songs by Romain Virgo, and I'm going to say a few lines, and Romain is going to read my lips and interpret or repeat what I am saying. Ready? Can you hear me?
Can you hear my lips?
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me? Yeah. Ready.
Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully.
Sammy plant piece of corn down a gully.
Jamaica, too nice.
Scooby-Doo do that.
Jamaica, too nice.
Scooby-Doo that.
I be a Scooby-Doo that boy you watch.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you? We got some work to do now. Scooby-Dooby-Doo, where are you?
Wanna read my lip. Jamaica, too nice. Oh, sorry. I should have said that out loud. What am I saying?
Scooby-Doo do that.
Jamaica, too nice.
It's like he says Scooby-Doo. So he says something about Scooby-Doo.
Put her back the earphone. Puss and dog have the same look.
Puss and dog have the same look.
Alright. Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
No, I want to say somebody like have something.
Jamaica, the land of wood and water.
Jamaica nice.
No. One more try.
Yeah.
Jamaica, land of wood and water.
Jamaica is a land of wood and water. Yeah.
Me love my belly.
Whatever. Peter.
That.
Pickle pepper. What?
Hey,
What?
you see who love them belly now? Me love me belly.
Peter love pickle pepper.
What? me love my belly.
Mm-hmm.
Wanna tell me what I say?
Leave your business alone.
Oh, so when me not talk to you, you can't hear.
When you try to me?
When me not talk to you,
When you start talking to me
You can't hear.
tonight, last night, it's huh?
And when me talk to you, no, and when me not talk to you, you can't hear.
See, I tell them so. Let's try it.
Alright, me go and talk to them and you tell me what me say.
Alright. Sweet, sweet Jamaica. That's how we catch.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya.
What?
Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica land of land?
Land of land. Sweet,
Hola.
Alright. Read my lip up. Read my lip.
I'm ready from yourself.
Okay.
Alright.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica,
Sweet, sweet Jamaica.
nah left ya.
Land of love. Land of wood. No.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica,
Yeah.
nah left ya.
I live ya. I love ya. I love ya.
Sweet, sweet Jamaica, nah left ya.
Oh, now left ya. Mr. I love ya. Alright. Alright, ready again.
A the yam make bolt run so fast.
Summer jump fence.
The yam make bolt run so fast. The yam. The yam make bolt run so fast.
Only figure out that one there. Trust me. Alright, go on again. Wrote a light.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Alright, my turn.
I say,
My turn.
my turn? Oh, your turn.
Alright, which song you want me to listen to?
Alright, move on. Beautiful.
Can't sleep.
Alright.
No matter how we driving.
Alright, my song is gonna be a Taurus Riley song. A Taurus from artist is me. Alright.
While him search for the song, guys, comment down below if you find this video funny. Give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe to our channel if you're new.
Alright, ready. Alright. Ready? Wagwan Jamaica.
Repeat.
Wagwan Jamaica.
Wagwan Jamaica.
Alright, good. Alright. Ready again? What's going on, people?
Repeat.
What's going on, people?
What's going on, people?
Alright, good. So she get 2 peeps, alright? Jamaica, no problem, man.
Jamaica. Say it again.
Jamaica, no problem, man.
Jamaica, no problem.
Almost, a little bit more. Jamaica, no problem, man.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright. So.
Mad.
Alright, so the next one is.
What?
The next one is.
Say it again.
The next one is.
Wagwan.
The next one is.
Squahil.
Square.
No, I want to try again.
The next one is.
The nice one next.
The next one is when it's quite we
Cause you see, him wicked to me now. Him hard, him put him teeth together and all you say him lip and move. How me gonna make out that? Stop smile and talk, man.
alright, cool. We'll put down my ear. It's my day.
It's by day.
Shall listen song, you know?
Eh?
Shall listen song, It's My Day by Taras Riley. I mean, but that's the same line there. It's my day.
It's by day.
It's my day.
Oh, the song. Mine, my day, my time, my life.
Alright. Ready again? Simple things are a blessing.
Same thing, the message.
Simple things are a blessing.
Say it again.
Simple things are your blessing.
Say it one more time.
Simple things are your blessing.
Blessing.
It's another Taras Riley song. Simple things are your blessing.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright. We pray.
We pray.
Good. Alright. Jah see and know.
Say that again.
Jah see and know.
Let's start up.
Next to the on your mind.
What?
Next to the on your mind. Jah see and know.
Stop fighting, make him fight for you like Tyson. You're too nice to him, but why love him belly just rising him.
Let's start up from my brain.
Jah see and know.
That say and no.
Take off the earphone. Jah see and know. When you get next to the so that
How does it look like it's a...
next to the on your mind. Next to the on your mind. Come on, you put on the earphone. Right now, mother eat some roast breadfruit.
What?
Right now, me would I eat some roast breadfruit.
Right now, I'm with a bonus split.
If you see what I want, I don't think that the your mind.
What?
Take off your earphone, my friend. Take off your earphone. It's alright now, would I eat some roast breadfruit. How one split reach now that? You want to get high?
Mr. Right now, Mr. One B word.
Breadfruit. Breadfruit is a B word. Or you get bun out of bread. Alright, back to you. Put off your earphone. Boom and rum are the best.
The song done.
Sound no?
Yeah.
Boom. Alright, and next
Song
time.
is like it in my talk so I can't hear you.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh. Alright. For our next star, ready? Come start now. Boom and rum are the best.
Boom and wine pan grung.
Can't be earphone.
I want to try again.
Boom and rum are the best.
Boom
And
and serious.
boom and rum are the best.
Boom and rum and busy.
Can't be earphone. How you get busy? Boom and rum are the best. Boom and rum are the best. Boom and rum are busy.
Boom and rum and busy.
Oh, busy coming out of that.
I don't know how to see your mouth and make the shape say.
No, busy. Busy.
Busy like when you take Pfizer. Not busy signal the artist. If you don't know busy, you're not Jamaican, I will take back your fast.
Yo, alright, put that back here. Since you're good. What is your favorite food?
What is my favorite food?
Perfect, good.
Oh, stew peas, pizza. I like when they boil the dumpling them and then You fry them back in the morning, them they are the best. If one drop.
And drop it, you box it too, because are the best, you know? Like unseen.
When we start talking about food, we get excited.
Yo. Alright, here we go. Since we are talking about food, Zin, where you get the fastest pizza?
Eh?
Where do you get the fastest pizza? Pizza.
Repeat that. Repeat that.
Where you get the fastest pizza?
Will I fast this Easter?
You go fast Easter?
Eh?
We are going to do Easter. You fast? No bun and cheese Easter? Easter the fire? Where you get the fastest pizza? How you go fast Easter?
I think you asked me if I go fast Easter. Come here, so no.
That now go happen.
Bun and cheese up on here, man. You know, far Easter, eh?
Why,
Yeah.
yeah.
Thing, yeah. Food in it. Once a food in it, you see that? Food. Easter food. Alright, pick up your phone.
Anyways, guys, this is the end of our whisper challenge. I hope I didn't. I won?
Big time should be.
What does the winner get?
To be in the next video.
Don't forget, guys, to like, subscribe and share this video with a friend. See you next time.
Alright. Peace. Boom.